Retrieving archived emails in Gmail is a very straightforward once you understand how Gmail's archive feature works. So when you archive an email in Gmail, it's removed from your inbox but not deleted. So here is how you can find and access archived emails in Gmail. So firstly, go to your Gmail app in your mobile device and tap on it to open it, and make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account. So now once you're inside your Gmail, all you have to do is, let's archive any of my email. To show you an example, you can simply long press on the email and you will get to see the archive option available in the top. Now simply archive it. So here you can see the mail is archived. Now I'll have to tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top left corner, and now on the bottom you can see the all mail option available there. Tap on it and here you can find that mail. Now all you have to do is tap on it for a long time, and there you will get to see a drop down menu option available by tapping on the 3 dot on the top right corner. Now all you have to do is tap on the move to inbox option available there, and it will be back to your inbox. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.